Well, it's been a while since I've had a video. Got a Cobra 148 up on the bench. I got it hooked up. We got a no power condition. Not the CBPA switch, just no power in general. So let's get this one cracked open and check the protection diodes there first. Well, I've got the covers off. I don't see or smell nothing burnt yet. Could be this regulator here, could be the protection diode. But let me go probing around on here and see what I can find out. Well, I don't see nothing burnt just yet. I see somebody did a talkback mod over here, just a resistor. I'll run through this with the multimeter and check continuity in a couple places. There's the main protection diode there, and I think it is shorted. Because I noticed there was a little bit unsoldered there, like a cold solder joint, and I soldered it back and it immediately blew a fuse. So that's my area of investigation. All right, I replaced the protection diode. It's got a split on it with a 1N4004, I believe, or a 007. And now it works. Audio 1 2 3. Audio 1 2 3. Check check. Looks like it's been clipped, but hello, it works. Next thing I think is replace this meter. First, I don't like the light. Second, it is scratched. I'll be back. I about got it back together. Mexican skip. Got the dimmer working. Got a new meter in it. What all you doing today, Cheezo? You got any plans?
Yeah.
Plan to watch some TV?
Not left a thing hits me.
Well, a little Mexican lady will hit you.
He might hit you off.
I gotta finish cleaning it up, but protection diode, new meter, and light. I'm gonna probably do an alignment on it and call it a day.
TV broke?
I don't know, but he said he wasn't watching TV, so I figured he wasn't feeling well, but he said he's fine. Well, I guess I got this one all buttoned up. I just gotta find knobs that are bigger to hold the bracket on than what I'm used to.
Probably got some laying around somewhere, don't you?
Believe it or not, I don't. I done checked all my bins. I've got all the standard ones, but they just don't fit on here. That about wraps this one up. 73s, and cheers to everybody. Check your protection diodes if they don't come on. Peace out.